welcome back.
Day 11.
Day 11. It's a Thursday.
Thursday.
Some more wine to get through today.
Yeah, definitely. All right, so what is your prediction today? Yesterday was a red from France.
I really enjoyed yesterday's wine, by the way.
Yeah, the red from France, the red blend.
It was very good. I think today is going to be a white.
A white. Now remember.
I know. We got a curveball.
We did. So what if they do white, white, red, red?
I was thinking that. I almost said red. But I was like, no, I think it's probably going to go back to white.
White?
Yeah. I'm rooting for my rosé here.
I was just going to say, you think it's going to be a rosé? We had a Chardonnay and then a red blend. I'm going to say Pinot Grigio from California. That's my guess.
Okay. I say rosé, California.
Okay. You want to get into it?
Yeah.
All right, cool.
Excited.
I'll let you do the honors.
All right. Day 11. Under I can't see your oh, red. All right. I'm not even going to try to pronounce that. Oh, it's another Italian.
Really?
Very interesting. Red blend. Italian red blend.
What a pretty bottle, too.
Yeah, really cool.
Pretty exciting.
Exciting for us,
Yeah.
but I'm like, wow, they put a lot of Italian reds in here.
Baciato Dal, red blend product of Italy. Very pretty bottle, too. Like, kind of a pretty bottle.
You like the girl on the front.
Yeah. Very nice. So, I'm not going to look at the back.
Yeah, don't look the back.
I'm excited for another Italian. We've
Me
been
too,
loaded
yeah.
up on French wines here, so I'm very excited to try another Italian in this box. So
I really thought there would be more American wines,
well,
like California, and I mean Washington makes great wines. There's wines in New York. I mean California.
yeah.
So.
Well,
yeah,
cool. I'm gonna open this
excited.
up for us here.
Cool.
I'm actually really happy that it went red, red.
It works for. Oh yeah.
Yeah. So now we
Oh,
don't.
you were right.
We really don't know what's
Oh.
gonna happen now. So
I like blanked. I was excited to see a red blend from Italy, and then I just blanked that I totally thought it was going to be a rosé.
okay. I'm excited, really.
No, we love Italian wine, so. But I'm curious to see what the blend is, if it's going to tell us what it is on the back.
It looks very light.
Does it?
Staining on the cork is very light, so it would make me feel like it's going to be a very light colored wine.
Yeah. That's even.
Even Stevens, no, sorry. All right. Do you like the smell or?
I do. I think we should maybe wait a little bit. I feel like we need to let it, because I feel like we end up saying the second sip together, and it just needs to like
Right.
open.
Opens up a minute.
Yeah. And all this. Do you know what year it is? No, you didn't look at the back.
I don't want to ruin it for myself. But
Smells good.
yeah,
I'm probably gonna like this.
I was gonna say
I mean,
this
It's
actually
just kind of a given.
is more on point with like probably the style of red that we drink. Just from the
The
you're
smell.
you're not getting that overly like fruitiness. You're
Mhm.
actually getting dark fruit, like oaky, dark fruit. Maybe not oaky. Oaky might be the wrong word. Earth, a little earth in there, a little of that dusty like Bordeaux style old wine smell, which is actually, I'm gonna guess that this is a 23.
Do you want to take a guess on the varietals in here?
We could do that while we let this open up for a minute. I'm not that it's gonna. I'm not gonna let it open that long, but
I think it's Barolo.
really,
That's a grape varietal, right?
yeah.
And Cabernet, and I think Cab Franc and Petit Syrah.
Really,
Yes. It's just a random.
I think this is gonna.
I didn't even taste it though.
I know, neither did I. So we're making a guess prior to tasting. So now this says red blend. It does not say super Tuscan. So I don't know if you're gonna have like
Cabin.
any cab blend or Merlot grapes. So I'm going to say Sangiovese. I'm going to say a little bit of Chianti and maybe a small percentage of Nebbiolo.
What did I say? I forgot already. Cheers.
All right.
I like this.
It's nice.
You like it?
Yeah, it's what am I getting though?
It tastes a lot of cherry.
Yeah.
Like.
I'm getting something else in there too.
I know what you're talking about. Bay leaf?
Definitely herby.
Herby.
Yeah, something herby on the back end.
Yeah.
It's actually like
cherry.
It's actually juicy though.
Yeah, it's
making
weird.
my mouth like it's not. I wouldn't say this is a tannic wine.
No.
Because it's not drying me out. It's actually like making me salivate.
Yeah.
Which is interesting.
It is interesting.
For-
It's a little bit sweeter. Right?
I don't taste the.
You don't taste sweet?
No.
It's very fruit forward to me.
Yeah.
But not like chocolatey fruit, like cherry fruits. Like ripe cherries with like bay leaves. I do like it.
I was gonna say there's something herby in there that like it's really catching my palate there. It's good.
Let's look at the back.
All right, so, ooh.
Does it tell you?
Well, it's a 2024 red wine from Italy. This Italian red blend is a captivating expression of the region's winemaking artistry. Its deep ruby hue invites you into an intense bouquet that bursts with ripe wild berries, complemented by enticing layers of cherries, plums, so dark fruit like we said, and black currant. On the palate, this wine delivers a velvety texture, rich and fruity characteristics balanced by subtle hints of spice and lingering, elegant finish.
Agreed.
Absolutely.
Does it tell you the blend?
No.
That's so annoying.
It really is. It's from Puglia, though.
Puglia.
Puglia.
Interesting.
You can look it up if
Yeah,
you
look
want
it
to
up.
see.
All right, it does tell me. All right, Italian red blends are a testament to the country's rich winemaking heritage and diverse grape varieties. These blends often combine native Italian grapes like Sangiovese, Barbera, and Nebbiolo. So we were both right. You were more right. With international varieties such as Merlot and Cabernet Sauvignon. You said Merlot? Oh no, you didn't say Merlot.
I said it's probably
wouldn't
not going to have Merlot on Cab.
The result is a harmonious fusion of flavors and textures that reflect the unique terroirs of. Is that a good word? Is that the
I
right
think
word?
it's terroir, but yes, you're fine.
Of Italy's wine regions, from the robust and earthy blends of Tuscany to the vibrant and fruity combinations of Piedmont, Italian red blends offer a wide range of expressions. So it's not. I guess it's not really saying what this particular blend is, but it's really good. So any of those grapes probably, Sangiovese, Barbera, Nebbiolo, Merlot, and Cabernet.
Yes. So one of the types of wine or styles of wine that we gravitate towards is a Super Tuscan. And a Super Tuscan was some Italian wine houses' answers to kind of bucking the system. So Italian wine laws require certain grape varietals to be considered Italian wines. I think there was a lot of pushback from that. So different winemakers started introducing like Merlot grapes, Cabernet grapes, and changing the blending styles in Italy. So now a Super Tuscan is traditionally like a Sangiovese or a Nebbiolo or something blended with grapes that you'd find in France or United States or stuff like that, giving it this Super Tuscan badge. And a lot of those are very delicious wines. So, a red blend, it's kind of difficult to figure out what the proprietary blend of grape is if they're not going to list it out for you. But interesting. It's very good. It's a very nice wine. So you want to rate this wine?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, hold on. Give me one more sip.
I think it changed again. You can taste a lot more like cherry, a lot more fruitiness to it. So we're switching to Sharpie,
so you can see
so
it
you
a
can
little
actually
better.
see the ratings we're writing on here.
Yeah.
So,
0.5 increments, right?
yeah, well, we keep saying that, and then like I write a 2.5 or something like that, or so let's do 0.5 increments. And I'm not listening to what you're writing. Okay.
One more sip to make sure. Am I blocking it?
No, yeah, maybe. Ready?
Why do you hold it so low?
I don't know. Oh, I did an 8.
I like this wine.
Yeah, it's very nice, but
I think this is the best wine we've had.
I agree. I think.
You think?
See, I'm trying
You
to
don't
like.
sound too sure.
I'm trying to think back to day 1 where we had our first Italian.
I think this is better.
I do too. Well, the first one I gave it like a 7 or 7.5. I think this is better. This might be the best wine. Now, I keep saying that. I'm like, ooh, this is really good, and then I give it like an 8, and then I don't remember.
I think this is comparable to something we would buy for dinner.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, it's really good. I would buy this again, and I would give it as a gift.
You would give it as
I would recommend this to someone that's wanting to try an Italian wine. I think it's very easy to drink. I don't think it's too earthy. I don't think it's too fruity.
Right.
It's like a nice, like right in the middle. It's not dry, so it's not hard to drink. I think this would go good with or without food.
I was just gonna say, I think you could even enjoy this before your meal, after your meal. You don't
this
need.
Tastes like a dessert wine almost to me.
Really.
Like a nice glass of wine after your dinner.
Yeah.
But I think it would go good with food.
Sure.
But I think you could drink it without.
Huh.
It's giving me like dessert vibes.
Yeah.
A little bit. It's smooth. It's like a little bit. It's sweeter to me. I don't know.
I mean, it's not like super sweet to me, but I do like it a lot.
Yeah.
So.
Cool. 9 from me.
All right.
My favorite wine so far.
8 for me. It's up there as probably one of my favorites. So Baciato Dal. Very good. What do you think tomorrow? It's like now I have no idea.
Yeah.
Are we gonna have another red? Are we gonna have another?
So do you think that was their tactic to go
red, white, red, white, red, white?
to be like, oh wow, like this is predictable, but then throw like 2 whites, now 2 reds?
Maybe. I think if they gave us another red tomorrow,
Yeah. Now I'm
then I would be
you.
like, okay, this is gonna be nuts. I don't know. I'm gonna go with white. I'm going back to white. They're probably doing white, white, red, red, white, whatever.
I think it's gonna be another red.
Okay. I'm gonna say white from not California, United States, white. I don't know what Chardonnay or maybe like a Sauvignon Blanc or a Pinot
I say red from South America.
Red from South America.
That's my guess.
I say white from the United States.
All right.
So.
Cool.
Thanks.
Well, I'm definitely gonna be finishing the rest of this.
Oh, you are? You're not sharing it?
No.
Okay.
There's only like 1 glass left.
Well, your 9-point wine, you're more than welcome to have it. So.
That's so nice.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.
I'll share it. No, yeah, that's it.
Whoa. That's rude. Thanks for watching.